Today I'm going to give you a tip how to make some tricks for slime. And we can also slime these two Hatchimals from my sisters. But shh, don't tell them because they're going to get angry. So, okay, we can dump some in. Okay, now I'm going to try and find them. Here's one. Let's see where the other one is. Okay, I think I found it. Let's see. It's kind of hard to get out. Has slime around it. So I found these two Hatchimals. And let's see if we can make some tricks. So I'm going to put the Hatchimals inside. Okay, now let's go up. Where are the Hatchimals? Oh, there they are. Dang, that's a lot of slime. Let's try and find the Hatchimals again. Here's one. Here's two. They're all slimed. La 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 la, sticky, sticky, sticky. Yeah, so sticky. We should put this on this Gooey Louie game. Put it up his nose. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.